Right, so today I thought I'd do a bike check on my new transition trail / park, Freeride Hardtail. Absolute tank, made from 4130 chromoly steel, and very fat tubing, as you can see, and all good sets in the right places. I like the shape of it here, pretty different to most frames you see these days. So yeah, it's 2004 transition trail / park. It's missing the K off there, but you can see it on the other side. Designed to take any forks from 100mm to 200mm. So I decided to run Mijoki 888 R's from 2004. These are actually in pretty good condition for the year. Very nice forks, work well still. I bodged on some old inner tubes which look pretty janky, but I can't find the proper ones, the proper bump stops, so I was just using them. Just fitted Mijoki flat crowns. You can't see the Mijoki properly there because of my mud guard, but those are Mijoki flat crowns, which are quite rare as well. And then we've got a race face Diabolus stem, which has been made into a direct mount stem. So it bolts straight into the crown, and then it's got 2 bolts either side here, so very secure. That's pretty nice. Got some flames on top. Then we've got a Hope top cap, Hope spacers, Hope headset in red, a Vert DH mudguard from back in the day. I've had that for absolutely years. The amount of times I've bent it and bent it back, it's still going. It's cracked in a few places, but it works, so it's the main thing. I've got 24-inch wheels, front and back. DMR DV front rim on a Bombshell 20mm hub with a Nokian Gazoda 24x3-inch tyre. It's actually on the wrong way and I haven't got around to changing it. I did that the other day, but I'll sort that out soon. And then on the back we've got a DMR DV rim as well, slightly newer one now, also 24-inch with a Hope Pro 2 gold hub with a 10mm Allen key bolt-ons, and it's a Halo Contra 24x3-inch tyre. It's really good. And then for brakes we've got Avid Code 4-pot on the rear with 203mm rotor. I've had to bodge it a bit here. It's a bit of a, I don't know what mount I really need for that, but yeah, I've bodged it and it seems to work fine, so I've rode it quite a lot and it's been alright. So keep running it like that. I'm actually running these plates off my 243 Racing DH because there's some spare ones, so they adjust the chain length here because it's got horizontal dropouts. And then we've got front brakes, just a Advajuicy, not the best brake in the world, but also not bad. Advajuicy 7 with a braided hose and also 203mm rotor. And then for handlebars we've got Spank Spoon 785s, DMR Def Grips on there, 785 wide bars, which is perfect width for me. And then for the crankset we've got Shimano Saint bottom bracket. Well, we've got a reducer DMR Wonder Cups in there because it's bigger than the normal. It's like, well, it's a BMX, old school BMX size bottom bracket. And then we've got a Shimano Saint bottom bracket with DMR X-type cranks, which I have on pretty much all my bikes because they're just bomb proof. I find them better than the profiles even for strength. I've cracked profiles and stuff before, but I never broke these, so yeah, so hopefully it stays that way. And then we've got 24/7 slacker pedals, pretty cool old school pedals, quite good condition for the age. And around the other side, wouldn't be able to see too well because my helmet's in the way. I don't know, maybe not. It's a Middleburn chainring. I think it's 34 tooth or something like that. And then we've got a rather greasy YBN half-link chain. It does the job. And 12 tooth sprocket on the back or something like that, or 14, I can't remember exactly. And then yeah, that's about it. And then we've got a Red Hope quick release seat clamp, a Norco Axom seat post, just a cheap thing. And then we've got a Setelaz sofa saddle, that is same as the Zonic Love seats but without the branding on it. But yeah, that's it, that's literally it on it. So now I'm going to do a shred and show you how it rides. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and keep watching for some shreds. No! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! We landed on the ship! Boy, yeah. Oh. Oh, God. Ah, that's better. The last one. Watch out. Yeah, boy. You. Go! Woo! Ah, that's better. The last one. Go!